What if I told you that you can craft a full blog post from the beginning to the very end just with an AI? The texts, adding related images and optimizing your post for Google ranking. In this video, I introduce GetGenie AI, an AI assistant designed for content creation and SEO optimization for websites. So, sit back, relax and watch this video to the end. Now, let's get started. The first question is, what is GetGenie AI? Let me quickly tell you that GetGenie AI is an innovative AI assistant designed to streamline content creation and SEO optimization for websites. It is available as both a WordPress plugin and a SaaS solution. It leverages advanced natural language processing, NLP, and artificial intelligence to help users generate high-quality, SEO-friendly content quickly and efficiently. GetGenie AI aims to replace multiple tools by offering features like keyword research, competitor analysis, content generation, and SEO optimization all in one platform. Doing all of these in one platform, isn't that amazing? That's what we all want, right? The next question is, what can I create with GetGenie and how can I do it? Some of the use cases of GetGenie include, first, blogging and content marketing. With GetGenie, you can quickly generate and optimize blog posts and articles for content marketing campaigns. Secondly, e-commerce product descriptions. You can create SEO-friendly and conversion-oriented product descriptions for WooCommerce stores. Thirdly, SEO agency work. This allows you to streamline content creation and optimization processes for multiple client websites. Finally, multilingual content creation. Expand reach by creating content in multiple languages for international audiences. Next, let's look at the key features of GetGenie AI. The tool aims to help users create SEO-optimized content faster, boost organic traffic, and improve search rankings. One of the features is AI-powered content generation, which helps to create blog posts, product descriptions, and various types of content with one-click AI generation in 60 seconds. The next feature we want to look at is the SEO optimization. This helps you to analyze keywords, competitors, and SERP data to optimize content for better search engine rankings. You also have the WordPress integration where you can seamlessly integrate with WordPress to create and optimize content directly within the platform. GetGenie has multi-language support. This helps you to generate and optimize content in over 37 languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, and more. The last feature we will discuss is the AI image generation. You can create high-quality images with simple text commands to enhance content visually. Let's talk about how you can use GetGenie. To get started with GetGenie, follow these steps. 1. Install the GetGenie plugin. Search for GetGenie in the WordPress plugin directory and install it on your WordPress site. 2. Activate with license key. After installation, activate the plugin with your GetGenie license key. 3. Access GetGenie dashboard. Navigate to GetGenie in your WordPress admin panel to access the main dashboard. 4. Choose a content template. Go to GetGenie. Click on Write for Me to see available content templates. Select the template you want to use. 5. Enter content details. Fill in the required input fields for your chosen template, such as topic, keywords, etc. 6. Adjust settings. Set the creativity level and results limit as desired for your content generation. 7. Generate content. Click to generate the AI-written content based on your inputs and settings. 8. Edit and optimize. Review, edit, and optimize the generated content as needed. 9. Use SEO features. Utilize built-in SEO tools like keyword analysis, competitor analysis, and content scoring to further optimize your content. 10. Publish or export. Publish the content directly to WordPress or export it for use elsewhere. To use GetGenie, kindly follow the link in the description of this video and get started for free. In case you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more valuable content.